So when it comes to linear coefficients with linear equations with unknown coefficients, 1 is never enough. So here we go with example 2. Alright, so first step, we're solving for y. We got 2 of them. We gotta choose y side. I'm going y side right here. I'm going everything else. I'll call this the EE side. Start by getting rid of the y on the everything else side. So it's positive, we gotta subtract it. We subtracted both sides. Boom. These zero out. We're left with d equals. We've got like terms, interestingly enough, because these are just numbers. So we've got negative 19 minus 12 y plus t. Whoops, plus t. Negative 19 minus 12. Oh boy. Adding up the debt, so I know it's gonna be it's gonna be a larger negative number. Negative 19 minus 12, negative 31. So we really have d equals negative 31 y, right? This is combined like terms. Let's go ahead and put it right here. Combined like terms plus t. Now we can start getting rid of the everything else stuff on the y side. So this is, remember, this is our y side, this is our everything else side. Start by getting rid of this t that's being added. So we can subtract, that's the inverse here, subtract the t. Those aren't like terms, so we just write this as d minus t equals, those zero out, so we're just left with 31y. And the negative 31y, sorry. And the 0 plus negative 31, that's the additive identity. That's why we can just drop the 0. Now we've got this negative 31. It's being multiplied to the y. The inverse of multiplication is division. We're going to divide by what we want to eliminate. So we're going to divide negative 31 to both sides. Those negative 31 divided by negative 31, that is 1. And 1 times y is the same thing as just y because of the multiplicative identity. So we just have the y right here. And you can't really simplify this, so that's actually going to be our answer here. Y equals d minus t divided by negative 31. Let's go ahead and punch it in and see what the big homie Khan says. So fraction, d minus t is in the numerator. We got a negative 31 in the denominator. Boom, boom. That's how you go.